SBA Publications.
Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are happy and healthy in your home. Myself Soni Sati, your mentor. I am also good at my place. So student, today with me you people will learn the sound of short U. Sound of short U. हम U की sound पढ़ेंगे. Okay? So we have the sound short U and the long U. So let's make clear that U have which sound? Okay? U-P. U-P. Up. U has the sound of a. A small a. A sound of small a. Okay? So it is up. Up. So it's make k up cup, h up hup, p up pup, s up sup, y up yup, g up gup. In a similar manner, we have here UG that makes the sound of and g. G, ug. So it is d, ug, dug, b, ug, bug, h, ug, hug, m, ug, mug, p, ug, pug, r, ug, rug. Okay. Then we have the sound of t, at. T, at. So this is b, at, bud, k, at, cut, g, at, cut, h, at, hat, j, at, jut, and n, at, nut. Now some more sounds which starts with a, U. So that are un. U and makes the sound of un. So it is b, un, bun, n, un, nun, r, un, run, g, un, gun, s, un, sun, and p, un, pun. In a similar manner, we have the sound of a, b, ab. That makes the words like k, up, cub, h, up, hub, n, up, nub, s, up, sub, t, up, tub, r, up, rub. So बच्चों, next sound is um. So it's g, gum, h, hum, s, sum, b, bum, r, rum, and the last one the t, tum. Okay? So बच्चों आगे बढ़ते हैं. हमारे पास है look at the pictures and write their names. So यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना है? Picture देखनी है, name लिखना है. So we have to look at the pictures and then we have to write the names. So this is the picture of a bus, and we know bus has the sound of a. Okay, so it is written as b, a, s, bus. B U S bus. Okay. In a similar manner, this is the sound of. This is the picture of cup. Okay, it will make the sound of cup. So the word is k, a, p, cup. C-U-P, cup. Okay. In a similar manner, rest of the picture and the words you have to write yourself. Now we have read aloud activity. So here is a picture of a pup, a puppy. So a pup eats a nut. जो puppy है वो nut खाता है. A cub is in the hut. एक बाघ का बच्चा झोपड़ी में है. Okay? Then we have the activity part. Read the given words and circle them in the given paragraph. So, firstly read the paragraph, then find out the words which are written here. M, ug, mug, b, ug, bug, p, ug, pug, r, ug, rug, and h, ug, hug. So, the first line says the pug has a bug. So, here is the sound of pug and bug. Pug and bug. So, I am circling the words pug and mug. इसी तरीके से आप भी इन साउंड्स को देखकर, सुनकर, समझकर आप उन वर्ड्स पे सर्कल करेंगे जो वो साउंड्स बनाएंगे. ओके? देन वी हैव द साउंड ऑफ लॉन्ग यू. ओके? लॉन्ग यू मेक द साउंड ऑफ यू. ओके? सो रीड अलाउड. हियर इज क्ल एंड यू. क्लू. ज्यूस. जून. June. Unicorn. Huge. Suit. Tulip. Music. Unicycle. Okay? Some more words which has the sound of long U are flute. Bl you blue. K you cube. And S you soup. T you tune. Gl you clue. R you rule. T you tube. Use. Use. Okay. Now read, search and write. Okay. Here what we have to do. हमें पढ़ना है, ढूंढना है and then लिखना है. So here is the word puzzle. We have to find out these words. Okay. So here is cube, ruler, juice, sum and jar. So I am finding one for you. Here is cube. Okay. And there are so many words you have to find out. For example, juice. Cube and juice has been completed, has been done for you. Now rest of the part you have to find out yourself and then you have to write here. So juice. Then we found cube. Okay. In a similar manner, rest of the parts you have to do by yourself. Now we have some more words. Let's read them. Drum. Drill, dress. Drop. Dragon. Ink, drink. Students, did you see here? We have so many sounds here. This is a fusion of sound. Dr, then dr, then ill, then dr, then s, a, then drop, then dr and agon and dr, ink, drink. Here is the sound of a, e, I, o, u. Okay? Now, dr like in. So, train, trap. This T are making tr. Okay? Tree, trash, tray, truck. Okay? Now again here is the sound of so many vowels. Now B are br and C are kr sound. So we will see the sound of br and kr. Br like in. So brown, broken, broom, break, branch, and bread. Okay? Now cr like in. अब cr से sound देखते हैं. Cr and out, crown, cr and app, crab, cr in, crane, cr o, crow, crayon, I, cry. Now we have the activity part. Circle the beginning sound. So we have to circle the beginning sound. Okay. So this is a picture of crown. And crown starts with the sound of CR. Cr. Okay. CR. Cr. Okay. Similarly, this is the drum. और ड्रम किससे स्टार्ट होता है? ड्र. And dr is made by dr. Dr. In a similar manner, here we have the brick. Eat. Okay. Brick starts with the word br. Br. Okay. So we will circle the br. Here is the sound of tree. This is a picture of tree and it makes the sound tree. And tree starts with the word tr. Tr. So it's tr. Tr. Okay. In a similar manner, you have to do these by yourself. Now we have blur. BL makes the sound of blur and CL makes the sound of clur. Okay. So now we will do the sound of blur and clur. Blur like in blur, block. Blur you, blue. Blur anklet, blanket. Blur black. Blur o, blow. Okay. Now CL makes the sound of clur. अब CL क्या sound बनाता है? Clur. So now clock, clock. Clur at clap. Clur out, cloud. Clur out, cloud. And clur it, clip. Clur it, clip. Now we have the sound of FL, which makes